Welcome to Carden IT Services Guide to Microsoft To Do. Microsoft 365 includes some well-known applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. But did you know it also includes a powerful task management tool? Microsoft To Do helps you organize, remember, and share your tasks, all in one easy-to-use platform. Whether you're preparing for a weekly meeting or managing a whole team, this tool can help you stay organized. What is Microsoft To Do? Microsoft To Do is a cloud-based task management app designed to help you organize your daily tasks, set reminders, and collaborate with your team. Seamlessly integrating with Outlook, it ensures that your tasks stay in sync across devices, whether you're working alone or managing a team. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Microsoft To Do makes it easy to stay on top of your responsibilities, no matter where you are. Where to find Microsoft To Do? Microsoft To Do is available across multiple platforms, making it easy to access wherever you work. On your PC, you can find Microsoft To Do by opening your Start menu and typing To Do. If you do not want to use the Windows application, Microsoft To Do is also available by the web browser. To find this, you can go to portal.office.com and access it via your apps in the top left, or you can visit todo.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. If you wish to use Microsoft To Do via a mobile device, you can download the To Do app from the Apple App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Microsoft To Do is currently included with Microsoft 365, Business Basic, Business Standard, Business Premium, E1, E3, and E5 plans. My Day feature. Start each day with focus using the My Day feature. Add tasks, set priorities, and customize your list to keep track of what matters most. This feature allows you to plan your day with intention, making sure your most important tasks are front and center. Plus, it resets daily, giving you a fresh start every morning to reassess and prioritize your work. Adding and managing tasks. Adding a task is simple. Click Add a Task, enter details, set a due date, and even add notes or steps to keep everything organized. You can also categorize tasks into lists, making it easy to separate individual and team responsibilities. We always recommend having a structured system to make task management far more efficient. Deleting tasks. Need to remove a task or step? Delete it easily with a right-click or the three-dot menu. Clearing out unnecessary tasks keeps your to-do list clean and focused, ensuring you only see what truly matters. Setting task reminders. Never miss a deadline again. Microsoft To Do allows you to set reminders and due dates so you can stay on top of your responsibilities. Whether it's a crucial work assignment, a bill payment, or general reminder, the app ensures that you're always aware of upcoming deadlines. Notifications can be customized so you get timely reminders without feeling overwhelmed. Setting recurring tasks. Have tasks that repeat, easily set daily, weekly, or monthly recurring tasks to automate your workflow. Whether it's a weekly meeting, a monthly project update, or daily tasks like replying to emails. To Do takes care of remembering these for you. Automating recurring tasks helps reduce mental clutter and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Adding steps and subtasks. Break down larger projects into manageable steps. With subtasks, you can complete tasks step by step and track your progress easily. If you're working on a big project, breaking it into smaller steps helps you stay organized and makes each part feel more achievable. Checking off each step gives you a sense of accomplishment, keeping you motivated. attaching a file to a task. Need to attach important documents? Microsoft To Do lets you upload files up to 25 megabytes, ensuring all essential details stay in one place. Whether it's a contract, an image, or a presentation, keeping files attached to tasks means you won't have to search through multiple folders or emails to find what you need. Using To Do across platforms. Stay organized wherever you go. Your tasks sync automatically across devices, whether you're on desktop, mobile, or web. This means you can start a task on your computer and update it later on your phone, ensuring that your to-do list is always up to date, no matter where you are. Collaborate using To Do. Collaborate effortlessly. Share lists with colleagues, assign tasks, and track progress in real time. Whether you're working on a team project or just need to coordinate tasks with a colleague, sharing lists makes collaboration seamless. Changes are reflected instantly, so everyone stays informed. How are businesses using To Do? Businesses are already using Microsoft To Do to help their teams stay organized. From managing projects and onboarding new employees to tracking sales follow-ups and daily operations, it's a game changer for teams. With customizable lists, reminders, and sharing capabilities, teams can streamline their workflow and ensure nothing is overlooked. Linking To Do with Outlook. Stay connected with Outlook. Tasks created in Outlook appear in To Do, keeping your workflow centralized and efficient. This means emails and important work tasks don't get lost. They are automatically added to your task list so you can manage them efficiently whichever app you're using. Microsoft To Do makes it easy to stay organized and on top of your workload. If you're ready to streamline your task management, you can get started today. If you need help setting up, contact Card & IT Services. We're here to help.